Hello everyone and welcome back to the Luke Espresso Repair. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Pico Baristo espresso machine. Now on our previous videos we have replaced the water pump of this machine, this one that you see right here. We also replaced the two-way valve, the one that is takes care of delivering water and steam through this spout. And we also gave the machine a tune-up by this cleaning the brew unit, cleaning the brew valve, and replacing some of the O-rings. So right now we're going to be testing this machine out. Started by turning it on. It's gonna go through the heating process first, and then it's gonna try to do a rinsing cycle. Now we did install a new water pump, so the machine might need to get primed. We will see how it goes. It's asking us to get a D-scale, as it definitely needs to get D-scale. And now we're gonna be testing it out. I'm using Kirkland coffee. Gonna put a bit. It's on the medium settings. Let's try to do the first espresso shot. That is a good sign. Machine is definitely grinding. It's probably gonna be a very weak coffee, as this is the first shot of espresso the grinder is doing. But we're testing it out to make sure that the machine actually delivers water through the spouts. There's the water pump kicking in, doing pre-infusion, going through the thermal block, going through the brew unit, and hopefully out the spouts, as you can see right there. Steady stream coming out of the machine. Good cream as well. And great quantity. Okay, now we're gonna do a couple of shots of espresso. That's to calibrate this machine, as every time it does coffee, it auto-calibrates itself. It's gonna do pre-infusion again. As you can see, it's already coffee is coming out from the spouts, and now it's going to do extraction. And look at that beautiful color coming out of that spout. Let me get a proper espresso shot so we can do a nice shot. Okay, now we're a little bit more closer to the machine, and now we can do that espresso shot. Pre-infusion, and now extraction. Approximately 2 ounces of espresso. You can see that beautiful color of the espresso shot. Excellent crema. Looking really good. Tastes delicious. Great shot of espresso. So there you have it, Saeco Pico Baristo working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.